G'day folks, wanted to share a tool with you that we are using and sharing as well so that people can do these things themselves. With getting found online, you don't need to be perfect. Generally, you just need to beat the main people in your niche. So you'll see all of this get found online, SEO, GEO information and be overwhelmed and go, like, that's a lot to do. There's lots of things I should do. This tool is more like, hey, compare me to those guys currently winning in this space and give me a bit of a plan of things I can do to create listings, etc., which will help me do better. This tool is just for listings, directories, etc. So those are places like yellow.co.nz, Google Business Profile, all those places where you can list your business to tell the internet who you are and what you do. This one's really cool because you will list your website, the niche that you're in, so electrician, whatever, the area that you're in, and then you'll also pull in a top competitor in your space so that the GPT can compare and contrast and give you an action plan you can do yourself. So it's really easy to follow through because then you simply work through the list. So I thought I'd run a live test on it. We just built this the other day for some of our guys. We're going to use it, but this is a bit of a live test so we can, I literally haven't done this yet. So we're going to see how it goes. I think what it will do is give me kind of like two steps. The first step will be, here are some places you should be. And then it'll probably ask something like, would you like a deeper plan of actual places to do, which we'll see how it goes. So list your website, your niche, your area, and your top competitor. So we're going to do it for an actual business called Masterscape, which is an arborist landscaper up in Auckland. So the niche will be arborist, the location will be central Auckland, and the competitor will be treeking.co.nz. So none of these people know that this is happening. That's cool. It's all just in the name of teaching people stuff. So masterscape.co.nz is the business. The niche is arborist. The area is central Auckland, and the competitor is treeking.co.nz. And let's just see what happens as it pulls through. Hopefully it's on point, otherwise I've wasted my time. So top 10 most important listings. Okay, based on the analysis of Masterscape and their top competitor, TreeKing, yes, the strongest trust citation signals. So remember, this is not an all-in-one backlink creation tool. It's something you should do at the very start of a campaign of getting found more effectively online. This will help you on Google. This will also help you with other search devices that you use, like ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini, even the Google AI search up the top. So all of these places that people use kind of come back to SEO, which is, what's on your website, who else links back to you, that sort of stuff. So what it's come up with is Google Business Profile, yes, No Cowboys, that's a popular one. It's got impact, so how impactful is this and how easy is this to list as well? The New Zealand Arboricultural Association, so high impact, but a bit of work. Okay, so that's a bit of work involved. Facebook business page, pretty obvious that should be there. Bing, Apple, Yellow, Builders Crack. Okay, those are all places that I would think to list a business. Now, what's down here? 3 quick wins. Okay, competitor signals identified. Yes. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's given us a bunch of kind of obvious ones. I might just prompt it a little further. So it says at the bottom, for Masterscape, closing the citation gap on these 10 listings will likely move rankings faster than generic SEO work. Please give me a clear GAP plan based on the above. And let's see what comes out of that, because sometimes it needs a bit of prompting to then say, okay, do these ones first, and then do these ones, and then do these ones. So let's see what it comes up with. Critical gaps, do these first. Critical. Okay, those, pretty sure they've got a Google Business Profile, so that one may or may not be on point. No Cowboys, I'll look into that. The Arb Association, we'll look into that. Yellow, find a localist, Builders Crack, yep. Facebook Business, yep, Apple Business Connect. So this is the important bit down the bottom, the review gap, most important. This is where Tree King likely has a serious advantage. No Cowboys reviews very high, strong review velocity over time. So Masterscape needs more Google reviews, some No Cowboys reviews. So it's not bad advice at all, actually. That's given us a pretty good target of things to do to try and outstrip that business. It's given us some locations to check that we're listed and some other advice as well. So all in all, not too bad. The fastest ranking impact order. So you could just work through this. GBP, make sure it's there, make sure it's good. No Cowboys, make sure it's there, make sure it's good. Just work through the list and that will give you some wins. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that actually. That's a good starting point. If you took your business into this custom GPT and one of the competitors above you, that would be a really good starting point. And you could then talk to the custom GPT that we've built for you and ask it to drill down further a few times to get more specific locations, more specific citations that are maybe industry specific, location specific. What about the business association for this particular area? So all in all, for most people using this custom GPT, I think you'll get some really good wins out of it. And if you're not sure about what to do next, this will be a YouTube video. So there'll be comments. You can just pop questions in there and say, hey, Corey, what do you think about this? Or you can go to our Facebook group, Digital Marketing for Rookies, and ask questions there as well. Because this tool really is something we just want to release into the wild and get people using. We don't do much SEO anymore. We're mostly Google Ads these days, but we'll often do this sort of thing at the start of a campaign for a Google Ads client to make sure that they're a trusted entity online when people find them, because that's important too. All right, thanks for watching. Do hit the like button and pop your comments below if you've got questions. I hope you enjoy the tool. I hope it helps you, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.